امریکی صدر نے آبنائے ہرمز میں جہازوں کو سیکیورٹی دینے کے بدلے 20% لینے کا فیصلہ واپس لے لیا۔ میڈیا سے گفتگو میں دعویٰ کیا خلیجی ریاستوں کے سربراہان نے انہیں فون کر کے فیس کے بجائے امریکہ میں سرمایہ کاری کی پیشکش کی۔ یہ بات انہیں پسند آئی۔ خلیجی ممالک امریکہ میں اربوں ڈالر کی سرمایہ کاری کریں گے۔
UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, and Kuwait, primarily, and then others. I spoke to all of them, and they would love to invest more money in the United States at record amounts, and that would be very acceptable. And this way, there's no fee. I don't like the concept of a fee, but at the same time, it's not fair that we're protecting this strait for the entire world, for China and everyone. I don't mind protecting it for China. I don't mind protecting it for anybody, but it's unfair that we're not in somehow compensated. I gave them a chance. I wanted to give them a chance at making a deal. We had a deal 2 days ago. It was done. And then all of a sudden, they couldn't do it. They didn't like something about the deal. They couldn't do it. And they shot first, and that was a big mistake that they shot first because we have been knocking the hell out of them.